back to another video. It's Kimmy from Kimmy Creates, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a half double crochet. So the first thing that you're gonna need, your hook, whichever size you're using, and your yarn, right? We're gonna first create a slip knot like so, and you're gonna pull to get it tighter and create a chain, a foundation chain. We're gonna create a chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to yarn over, and we're going to skip the last stitch, and we're going to go into the second to last, so that would be the 8, and we're going to go in the top loop of the 8th stitch, which is the second to last stitch, or 9th, sorry, 9th, 10, 9, yeah, 9th. So you're gonna yarn over and pull up, so you now have 3 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna yarn over again and pull through all 3. So that would be the first half double crochet, and we're gonna continue doing that same pattern right along. So yarn over, push through the top loop, pull up 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. Continue, yarn over in the top loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3, pull through 3, yarn over, put in the top loop, yarn over, pull up, 1, 2, 3, pull through all 3, yarn over, put it in the top loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and we're pulling through all 3. So that's how it's looking so far. And we're going to continue right down to the first. So yarn over, put it in the top loop, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. And the last one, yarn over, pull, and this is how you half double crochet.